continue. These are the blinds that I bought. Are big, long, and I'm gonna, after we cleaning, I'm gonna replace that. So I'm gonna remove it. It's so hard to record and try to do the job. Remove this, and this is shorter. Do you see? It's the same width. So Monday I'm gonna bring my cutter or my guillotine. I'm gonna cut it here, and I'm gonna replace all the vertical blinds. Excellent. So, small ladder to reach on top of the cabinet after, of course, we clean or dust the wall. And how we're gonna dust the wall? With this tool, or with vacuum, or with that tool that is there, a pole, a stick, and a duster cloth, or with this. This is foam. You put your yellow cloth. I always talk about this. You attach your pole instead of using that. Let me change it. This is another duster that we use. This is the Anger brand, the stick for clean windows. And now with your stick, you can start dusting the walls. This is just a demo. I have video showing you that. But before dusting the walls, you have to remove any kind of cobwebs or the dust that is on the ceiling. And of course, you have to clean the ceiling fan. So that's the reason why I bring a brick ladder. Just let me go and record closely. Let's see. sometimes we remove it and we clean it because it's in really bad shape. Let's see how it is. Wait, I have to go to one more step, but right now I'm alone, so I'm kind of afraid to be in the ladder. Okay. So maybe we do it by hand and we don't have to remove nothing. So many things to do in this house. Yeah, I don't like to be on top of the ladder where I'm with myself alone, right? Okay. Did you remember this spot with my foot? I do something like this, and I will remove the pet hair. Everything is hairy. It smells horrible. I'm gonna do a demo right now. This is our clear track or workhorse, especially when we have the situation like this, a lot of pet hair. I don't use the same vacuum. So let me record for my dear friend that he doesn't want me to talk. So I finished to record for him all the sounds, and I have to stop. Okay. Usually I don't put the things in the table, but this house is in really bad shape, and I have to bring everything, and I put it for my convenience on top of the table. We didn't clean it yet, so then we're gonna sanitize everything. We use sometimes Pine-Sol because it's a disinfectant too, 99.9% killing germs. Lysol, you know that I always use Lysol. That's one of my favorite products. Degreasing for the Dollar Store, LA, totally awesome, really good stuff, strong. Mr. Mayer's, our glove. We use sometimes this product that is set, ready to use detergent and disinfectant because this house is in really bad shape. And after dusting, removing the soils, I will put this product and disinfect all the areas. My mask in case that I need it. My blade, that I'm gonna show you what. Toothbrush, things like that. Another way, if you don't want to buy the extension for anger, is I found this on the streets. This is a pool pole. It's aluminum. It's really light. That's what I love. I have been talking about this. It's really big extension. You can buy a used. As I say, I found it on the street, and it's light. You can reach anywhere. This is a pool extension, and most of the time I have brooms and a little sticks. For example, this broom, this is little. The stick is so little, so I put it here. In case I need to brush, I don't know, the top of this ceiling fan, or even the ceiling. Okay, it's too long. It's beautiful. Let me shorter. Wait. I was talking about this pole. It is really big, and you can shorten and adjust, and it's more flexible. Let's see. You can try to remove the big dust from the ceiling fan. Oof. Check this out. The correct way is to use a cobweb brush, but I forgot in my house. So this is just a demo, okay? Oof. So you can use the pull brush if you want to reach tall areas. Okay, you already talked about this product. Let me let's go. This is just all demos, okay? We're here in the shower. Remember the shower? Okay, so there is a couple ways to do this. You can use a blade, small blade. Let's see. Come on. It will be easier than wait for the cleaning product to do the job, especially the part that has calcium. You have the idea, right? Or you can use another blade. after you do that, you start cleaning. Sometimes this little one is more convenient. This is just a demo. Remember my toothbrush? Is to reach these areas. I just want to make sure that you can see how bad condition is this shower. I put this carpet, old carpet, to clean my shoes and then go to the carpet area. This is just a demo showing you my tools and the way I'm gonna start doing this house.